Hello everyone, welcome back. I wanted to show you this little pendant striker I made. I didn't show myself forging it, but it's basically a miniature version of the Colonial striker that I recently made. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see how I made that. And I made it for a few reasons. I wanted to see how small I can make a striker, which this one is pretty small. I mean, if you look at my finger, I thought it was cool to have a pendant striker. And I wanted to have something with me if I'm just out, you know, a couple hours in the woods and I find a piece of something I think is chert that could be used for flint and steel. I wanted to be able to have something on me that I could test it. So I think it met all my criteria. I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. It's made from a piece of the Belknap file. And let me show you how it works. There you go. Throws the sparks. Looks cool. I mean, you could definitely use it as your fire striker, as your flint striker. But like I said, for me, it was really just so I had something to carry around with me. These beads are just from Joann's. There was a whole bag of them. They were on sale, 50% off. I think I paid like $2.25 for a whole bag of beads. Just plastic. You know, maybe down the road, if I can find the right piece of antler, I'll make some antler buttons or something out of it. But just wanted to show you this little striker pendant. So thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate your views and your comments, and I hope everyone's having a great day. And I'll see you on the next one.